here is a pretty old trailer. We built this thing quite a few years. It used to be Ford Safety Blue. That's what it used to look like. It's coming in for a full resto. Putting a storage box in the front, new fenders, updated lights. We're gonna update those doors as well. And then we're gonna send it out for a full color change. I'll try to remember to get some videos of this one afterwards. This is it. Sandblasted, sanded, and repainted. New box, upgraded couplers, added a spare tire, Supermax taillights, updated the tarp to the new style, changed the oil on the pump, updated the fenders, updated the doors too. The last doors were pretty damaged. I forgot what happened to them, but we updated all that to the new style. So essentially it's a 2023 now without having to pay sales tax again. So big savings. Plus less expensive than buying a new trailer. So if you have an old trailer, doesn't matter if it's our brand or somebody else's, we'll restore it.